Learn ABC with fun. Let's learn together. A to M.
A is for ant. Let's learn together.
A is for ant.
A is for apple. Let's learn together. A is for apple.
B is for balloon. Let's learn together. B is for balloon. B is for ball. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. B is for ball.
C is for cat. Let's learn together. C is for cat. C is for cow. Let's learn together. C is for cow.
D is for deer. Let's learn together. D is for deer.
D is for dinosaur.
Let's learn together.
D is for dinosaur.
E is for eagle. Let's learn together. E is for eagle.
E is for elephant. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. E is for elephant.
F is for fan.
F is for fan. Let's learn together. Let's learn together.
F is for fan.
F is for fish. Let's learn together. F is for fish. G is for goat. Let's learn together. G is for goat. G is for goat.
G is for glass. Let's learn together.
G is for glass.
H is for hen. Let's learn together. H is for hen.
H is for hat. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. H is for hat.
I is for ice cream. Let's learn together. I is for ice cream.
I is for ink. Let's learn together. I is for ink. J is for jug. Let's learn together. J is for jug. J is for jeep. Let's learn together. J is for jeep. J is for jeep.
K is for kite. Let's learn together.
K is for kite.
K is for king.
Let's learn together.
K is for king.
L is for lion. Let's learn together.
L is for lion.
L is for lizard. Let's learn together. L is for lizard.
M is for mango.
Let's learn together.
M is for mango.
M is for mouse. Let's learn together. M is for mouse. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.